What's the meaning of crossover? Crossover. Crossover.
Crossover. Crossover. Crossover refers to the process of combining two or more different things to create something new. In genetics, it refers to the exchange of genetic material between two chromosomes during meiosis. In music, it can describe a blending of different genres or styles. Crossover also has applications in fields such as sports, art, and technology. The result of a successful crossover is typically a novel, exciting creation that combines the best elements of each of the original components.